Okay, good morning to all my dear students and audience. Welcome to my channel Fuzzy English Room Carmel. Now, today our topic is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. We will learn the certain rules of the past indefinite tense. As I told you, in the present indefinite tense, there are two kinds of two parts of the present indefinite, that is the functional present indefinite and the descriptive present indefinite. Likewise, in past indefinite there is also two parts, that is the functional past indefinite and descriptive past indefinite tense. In a functional past indefinite, we will find a did plus first form or the second form of the main verb. Main verb will be work, either we will get the second form of the main verb or we will get a did plus first form. It is the functional past indefinite tense, and descriptive past means we will find was and were, and after the was or were we will not find any main verb. It is called the descriptive past. Your doubt should be very clear in both the tenses, that is the present indefinite and past indefinite tense. Now we will learn about the past indefinite tense. Past indefinite at the Hindi sentence you will find गया, आया, गया था, आया था, etc. You will find आई थी, गई थी. You will find at the end of the Hindi sentence. And main verb, that will the second form of the main verb will be used like write, wrote, cook, cooked. Wrote and cooked is the second form of the main verb. This will be used in the past indefinite tense if the sentence is affirmative, not negative or interrogative. If a helping verb will be did, but in affirmative sentence did as a helping verb will not be used. Only the in negative and interrogative sentence did will be used. After the did we will have to use the first form of the main verb. In negative sentence did not plus first form. In interrogative sentence did plus first subject plus first form of the main verb. These are certain rules, but how we will find it? We can recognize in Hindi sentence गया था, आया था, खाया था, पिया था, etc. We can find at the Hindi sentence, but in English sentence, as I told you earlier, in the present tense, it is in the past tense. We will find such these words in the English sentence, then we will automatically identify and recognize that this is the past indefinite tense. Such as these are also called the some adverb that is ago, last, previous, last day, last week, last month, last year, in 1980, many years, in March, many last months of the year, on last Sunday, on last Monday, on yesterday. We will find these words, especially ago, last, previous and yesterday. Before the month, before the year and the year past, we will find automatically that it is the activities of the past time. Then we will use the past indefinite tense in this according to condition of the sentence. Now we will see some simple sentences how to frame the English sentence in past indefinite tense. First, I went to Delhi last week. Last word we have got here and week, last week. Then we will use second form of the main verb in affirmative sentence. It is the affirmative sentence. Here is the main verb and second form has been used because it is the past indefinite and it is the affirmative sentence of past indefinite tense. I did not go to Delhi last week. Again we find the last week. Then it is the negative sentence. Then we will use did before the noun and the did plus first form. As I told you, did plus a first form, we will have to use a go. Go is the first form, or we can say that it is the dictionary verb, and a second form is went, and third form is gone. The first form, did plus first form, it is the negative sentence. Now, did I go to Delhi last week? We again find the last week, and then we will use it is the interrogative sentence, because there is the interrogative sign at the end of the sentence. Then we will use did before the subject, and then when did has been used, then we will use the first form of a main verb. Secondly, did I not go to Delhi last week? Again we find the last week, and before it is the interrogative sentence and negative sentence, then did word will be as a helping verb will use before the subject, then after the then subject, then not, and then we will use the first form of the main verb. Again, why did I go to Delhi last week? Again we find last word, then we will use the did as a helping verb. It is the WH interrogative sentence and first form of the main verb, did plus a first form. Now, why did I not go to Delhi last week? Again we find the last word. You can find here ago, yesterday, previous, last, or last Monday, or last Sunday in 1980. You can write any words among these words. These are the important words, and give the identification of past indefinite tense. Now, here is the did and WH word and note. It means WH word, interrogative and negative sentence, and last week we have found here. Now, it is the functional past indefinite tense. This is the functional past indefinite tense. And now we want to see the descriptive past indefinite tense. My dear students, audience, nobody will tell you what is the difference between the functional and descriptive past indefinite tense or present indefinite tense. I am telling you because most of the students are in confused where we should use was and where we should use do or does, is, are. They are very confused. These words are mixing in the mind of the students. So I want to differentiate. Now, if we find it is the descriptive. After the descriptive past indefinite, you will not find any main verb. Here the was, he was a good teacher. It is the subject, it is the object, it is the adjective we find here, because it is the object, and it is the adverb because adjective. The adjective is that which is telling the characteristics of the object is called the adjective. So here is the was. After the was there is no main verb. After the was there will be, you will find the object or the adjective. Then it is called the descriptive. They were students. Here we find the were. This is the plural linking verb. It is the singular linking verb. Subject is the plural, then the linking verb will also come were as a linking verb. So they were students. She was a doctor. She was a doctor. It means there is no main verb, hence it is called the descriptive sentence. Now I was a doctor many years ago. Now we have found here ago and years, many years ago. Ago is telling that it is the time of the past. Then we will use the past. Which type of past? Functional or that is the descriptive. Here we will use here is the object doctor and here is the subject. There is no main verb. Then we will use was as a descriptive. I was a doctor many years ago, but now you see in this sentence condition is here. But now I have got retirement. But now is conjunction. But is conjunction now is the time. And I have got in the past present perfect tense. It is the has and have, and it is the third form of the main verb. It is object. Now this is the condition between the both the sentences, because he many years ago he was the doctor. It means in past time he was doctor. Now he has got retirement. Now he is alive, not dead. He has not died. Now he is alive. It means he is using the helping verb as a have. So there is the condition between the both the sentences. Then it is not only that when you will find the ego word, then you will fill up the past indefinite or past descriptive. No. First you see the condition of the sentence, which is two or three types of the sentences you can find. That is the simple sentence and complex sentence and compound sentence. These are the, you can say, the clause, main clause and sub clause. Which sentence telling the main clause? I was a doctor many years ago. It is the main clause of the sentence, and it is the sub clause. I have got retirement is the sub clause. Synthesis of the sentence. It is telling. Now I have told you about these things. Now we will make a further some important sentences on the past indefinite, functional and descriptive. And I hope that you will learn all these things, whatever told you about the past indefinite tense. Further we will take one exercise and we will fill up the main verb of the past indefinite tense. Okay, thank you.